Hi, my name is Kevin. This is my sister.
Hi, my name is Anna.
Today, I'm going to tell you my own comic book called Birdman 3, A Tale of Two Pigs. This is not the starting. The starting is Birdman 1. So if you want to find the link, see the description below. However, there was also another comic book after Birdman 1, which is Birdman 2, Uncaged. We will also put that link in the description below. Now let's continue with the story. Birdman 3, A Tale of Two Pigs by Kevin Simeon. This is Birdman. He's trying to destroy an ice structure with two pigs, like in the cover. Then he goes super fast that his beak touches this, and then his beak gets frozen. Because it got frozen, it got heavier, so he starts to fall with his beak first and all the way to the ground. Now, press this button. It's melt ice. Press. Ta-da! Now, Birdman is up again without any ice. Sorry for the clip. Now, Birdman starts jump and then goes flying. Then he puts his beak in fire, so his beak turned red, which is hot. Then he touches the ice. Now all three eyes were cut in half. So all of them starts falling. Then pop went the two pigs. After it fell after the top of the pillar, all three tops of the pillar touches to all three bottoms of the pillar. Hooray! Said Birdman. Now, Birdman 4, Birdman versus Pigman. Coming soon versus... Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, Smart Science Kid. Bye for now.
Let's go.